LexisNexis has just launched a brand new app, Lexis Red. This app allows you to have access to our legal content within your fingertips by way of electronic devices. It is portable, efficient, and you can customize it according to the needs of your case or your transactions. Now you can customize the content according to your own needs by way of highlight, notes, and tags. How to do it? Now you can first pick a title, then choose one of the chapter, for example. Now I choose 42. Now the best way to read it is to tap on this icon, then you can read everything full screen. Now let us find one of the examples to show you how to make highlight, note, and tag. For example, this one. Now first you need to do is press and hold and cover that particular sentence or paragraph. Now you'll see 4 things right here. You choose add highlight, as simple as that. Then highlight is automatically done. Now apart from highlight, you can also make note as well. Now this time again, same thing, press and hold, then cover that particular sentence or paragraph. This time you choose add note, not add highlight, choose add note. Then you can find a panel like this one, and then you can insert your particulars. Like this time, I type share with team. Alright, once you're done, you tap the background, then the note is done. Now, apart from highlight and note, you can also make a tag as well. Now how to do it? Same thing. Press and hold, and then cover that particular sentence or paragraph. This time you choose add note, but you don't type anything on the note panel right there, but you choose the tag. For example, this one. And then you will find the highlight and also the tag that will be synchronized in terms of their color. They're both in red, as you can see right now. Now if you want to say I want to add note to a tag, for example, I want to make a note about this tag. This time you can tap on the icon and tap add note. You can find a panel like this, and you can type share, for example. Tap the background, then note automatically is added to that particular tag. Same thing if you want to add a tag to a note, tap on that, and then you can choose another tag, for example this one, and then click the background. Then you find the color is actually matched with each other, the tag and also the highlight, so on and so forth. Now once I tap this panel, you can find that the Annotations tab allows me to see all my annotations in one go, or the 3 examples that I've just shown you, they're all in one place. Very easy for you to navigate and for you to browse. And also sorted by highlights and notes only as well. You can edit the tag in Lexis Red. For example, right here, you can tap on this one. You will find a panel like this. Now if you want to create, edit, or delete the tag that's showing here, you can tap on the edit button. If you want to create a new one, you can tap on the plus icon right here. You can find this is a new tag, and then you create a new name for that tag. For example, this time I use testing. And after that, you need to choose a color to match with this new tag. For example, I choose this color, and then you click done. Then you find the newly created tag would appear at the bottom of the panel. Now this is how you create a new tag. If you say I want to move the position of this new tag to the top of the panel instead of the bottom, you can tap on 3 bars on the right like this, press and hold, and drag all the way to the top, and you can tap done. You can find now testing appears on the top instead of at the bottom of the panel. Now if you want to delete the tag, you can tap on the edit button on the right, and then you can find a panel like this. You can tap on the red icon and tap delete, and after that the testing tag is already deleted, and tap done, and everything is back to original. So this is how you customize the titles on Lexis Red.